wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Ayun na, ay hindi. Doon pala yung taan. Ito, ano na to. Dahil first time ni Mikay sa Tagaytay, gusto niya makita ang view. Ito na ang view ngayon. Oh, yun oh, ganda oh. Oh, 'di ba? Ganda naman ang view, 'di ba? Oh. Para tayo nasa eroplano. Oh. Ayan oh. Doon tayo mamaya dadaan. Go.
Cute. Ano yan? Pa-picture lang?
Yes, mate. Wala pa tayong kasabay eh. O, doon tayo. Go. Oh, si Spider-Man. Tsaka si Iron Man. Cracker pa lang kinakain ni Iron Man.
What's there?
Wishing well. Oh,
Lalim lang.
lalim. Ano tayo? Silong tayo? Grabe naman tong ano na to. First time lang ng ate Mikay ko dito. Diyan ka na lang magpa-picture sa ano.
Balik daw. Abay, siya pa, ano pa yung ahapon. Lakas na trip.
Ayun na lang.
Oh. Wala na yung horse.
Horseshoe.
Horse.
Dito pa tayo inaabot ng ulan.
Naligaw pa kasi.
Kasi naman kung saan tayo tinuturo nung ano. Ayun yun. May jeep. Dali. Yun lang.
Lema pa. Puno.
Yan, ang ganda ng view, di ba ate?
Ay, sa harap.
Dali tayo, close na. Kasya pa po. Maluwag pa po.
Pakita mo yung mata niya. Sweet po.
There we go.
Pwede lang po isa din.
Experience sa Tagaytay.
Bakit yung karo ng sino? Walang
Ano po yung 100? Tukulay po na 100.
Ito rin nahuli. Ayan. Ayan. Alright. Tara ate. Ito dito. Oh wait, may sasakyan.
milk tea, borbor.
Insane. Kunin ko lang yung gamit ko. Yun na, nabasa na. Ano, kain na tayo? Oh, naiwan ko yung gamit ko dito. Oh. Tingnan mo. Oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Ha. Andun, ang taal. Andun yun.
Tago na naman.
Oo, tago. Ay, magpakita sa'yo ni Taal eh.
Hindi mo alabas na ako. Hindi ko dala lipstick ko eh. Mag-picture sana ako.
Sige na.
Ay sige, picture na ako.
Picture. Ah, labi. Oh, paano kita pipicture?
Strawberry po regular?
Ano gusto mo? Strawberry? Strawberry? Strawberry daw. Wow. Yeah. Magkano?
30 po sir.
30.
Ito po
Ayun, straw. Idaan mo na lang sa kain, ate. Sabay-sabay. Pagbayad mo, upo ka doon. Hintayin mo tawagin yung pangalan. So magbabayad tayo ng parking. 75.
Entrance to 75 pesos.
Aha. So entrance. Okay. Ayun. Kasi ang inano sa amin, parking.
Wala pong bayad ng parking na ganun. Pag po nakamotor sir, libre ang parking.
Pero 75. Ah.
Ano ba?
Okay. Thank you po. Ayun. Naguluhan tayo doon. Sabi parking. Parking fee. Entrance pala yun. 150. So 75 ang isa. Bago na. Kasi dati nagpunta kami dito. Walang entrance. Siningil na lang kami ng 100. Wala tayo naiwan. Yan lang naman dala natin. Ha? Okay. That's cute.
Ito, sa camera.
Ano ba? Kwenta siya. Parang hindi mahulog.
Wala.
Ay. Gusto mo yan? Ayan, si Taal. Doon tayo. Para okay.
Hindi mo magana.
Ha? Gumagana.
Tagal.
Gusto mo doon?
Paabutin ako na ilang oras. One way. Daming tao dun sa ano.
O dito na lang tayo. Oo. Baba tayo. Tingin tayo doon sa baba.
Ay, nasa daan pala tayo.
Kailangan pala may baon dito.
Picnic eh.
Oo nga eh. O, diba?
Ito yung laging sa balita.
Oo. Nung nag-open ang pandemic, diba?
May
Pero-
view pa ba doon?
Ha?
May view pa ba doon?
Wala, kahit anong view natin.
Ano mag-zoom? Daddy.
Yan.
Ayun naman po.
So, dinala natin yung stick. Wala, ang labo talaga ni Taan. Hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin namin nakikita. Nagtatago kay Ate Mikay.
Kasama siya sa video.
Ayan.
Lagi na lang umaambon ko.
Ayun na, malinaw na. Malinaw na. Malinaw na umuulan.
Ay, sabay sila.
Picture na lang tayo ng ano.
Chloe! Halika ka dito. Magkano ang baya? 150.
Asan? Huwag ka lang didiretso, ha? Pag dumiretso ka dyan. Ayun ako, lumalakas yung ulan.
May hagdan.
Ah,
Hagdan kasi.
may hagdan. Ah. Uy, hindi ka na umulan. O, dyan tayo, dyan. Ay, huwag kayo, may aso. Ha?
Wait lang, meron. Uy, wala.
Ayun, oh. Silong muna tayo, silong. Umuulan eh. Pwede ba sumilong?
Yes.
Daming picture ito rin.
Ito gamitin niyo. Pabakan mo.
Ayan, sige. Sa kagustuhang magtagaytay. Ayan, ang nangyari.
Tinitingnan niya weather.
So, inuulan kami ngayon. Ayan. But we will survive. Ayan.
Buti po yung horse. May kawawa naman yung horse.
Sige.
Next time lang papachis na natin din ako noon.
Di tayo, di tayo. Woo! Maulan pa.